Yeah, I'm Tracy Duffy. I'm the security manager at City of Derry Airport. So within the last year, obviously we're regulated by the CAA. They have started to look at cybersecurity, and Paul, who's also on this training, was appointed as our cybersecurity responsible manager. But as in with my role in security, I also obviously will have to help out with that. So the training I found very useful. I thought that your pace was good for somebody who really is new to the cyber world. I was able to follow along well and hopefully put some of these things in practice with Paul and Steve's help when I go back to the office. Thank you very much.